YouTuberlicious, today in my neighborhood is a state of emergency. Outside is full of phlegm, full of ice. We had ice rain yesterday. It's some serious shit. Check out, look at the devastation and the deadliness. Look. Alright, and like there, and like there. See if I can get a better view for you. Look at that. You can still hear the rain. I wanna know. Have you ever heard the ice rain? Anyways, let's take a look outside for the true devastation that'll blow your mind. Yeah. Branches falling and whatnot. Let's take a look. Got me scared to step on the fucking holy fuck, it's wish me luck, boys and girls.